Hello, I am Mary from Computex 2018 and we are at Cooler Master booth. And we're about to see some fans today with Mr. Brandon.
Okay, so actually you can see we have a whole series of Hybrid 1.2 series. You know Hybrid 1.2 series is most famous air coolers in the market. You can see we already sold more than 3 million units. That means more than 3 million pieces already pulled out by our Hybrid 1.2. So you can see we sold.
So you have launched 3 million?
3 million. We already sold out
3 million sold already. Again, we have Ron, who's our host.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go over a bit about BSUs. Again.
So.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay. So we are presenting our SG series, the one that we also actually showed in our lab, where you guys are visiting us. Thank you for that. So the XG series is the own Cooler Master platform. As you can see inside, there are less components than in all the other processors in the market. The reason why we did this is because of thermal performance. The transformer that you see here is Cooler Master own design. It's much smaller than a traditional transformer. So everything inside is to optimize lowering the temperature of the power supply. This benefits the lifespan of the components, and of course also we can lower the temperatures. Then as you can see here on the whole side it's really small. This is because of the new regulation that is coming up. Unfortunately, we should have made them bigger, but we're not allowed. Here you can actually see the power supply with a multi-layer RGB. The first layer shows the logo and the logo and the name. And then the other ones modes show a bar that shows the loading of the power supply, the fan speed, and the temperature. So the user can actually read out exactly how much the power supply is using. It's a nice gimmick actually for case models, for example. People who are interested to read out real life how the power supply is doing. When you go over here, this is our B Platinum series. This will be launching in the market around Q4. It has a dual ball bearing. We're using something that we call thermal regulation modes. It means that the fan will always spin continuously on the lowest speed for 60% of its load. After 60% loading, the fan starts to spin up. The whole power supply is designed for markets that are having a higher ambient temperature. That's why the ball bearing choice, thicker cables and everything so the power supply can operate on a high temperature. On the other hand, this is the V Gold series. This is more targeting at the mass market. So it has 80+ gold certified 135mm FTP. So this one is targeting to be silent. That's also why, as you see here, it has a hybrid mode. So you can actually test it if it's actually working. And then if you don't like hybrid modes, then you just shut down the fan. Over here we got the cooperation with AC Stuff. This is a master watt that we have modified. And down here you can see that we are launching an extension cable set. This is 16 gauge cables, so thicker than the normal ones. So it means that you can even do a slight overclock. So thank you for joining Power Supply.
Thank you for watching. See you. Bye-bye.